Wow, it is overcast out. Perfect.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
Alright, have a good day.
Have a good one. So the reason I was happy that it's overcast out today is because I'm actually doing a photo shoot later. Someone who I used to go to school with hit me up on Instagram and asked if I could take pictures of his bike for him. So I told him yes, and I've never taken pictures of a bike before, so I'm pretty pumped. But that's not happening until 3 o'clock this afternoon, so for now I'm going out to get a late breakfast, and I have a lot of stuff to catch up on from this trip. Alright, check this out. This place here in Old Bridge on 516, Aiello's, amazing sandwiches. Thank you. Now I have the spinning wheel of death, so we'll see how long this takes to resolve. Mary's here.
I look gross.
No.
I didn't know that you were vlogging today.
No, I'm vlogging today.
Why?
I just told you right now. Oh, you kicked my phone. Look at her. Her face was covered, but she was still using her phone. What are you doing?
I'm sending you messages.
Reservoir with Vlad. He's here with his bike. We're gonna go take pictures on the boat ramp. Oh my god. Alright, so we're down here. This is sick. Alright, let's start. Honestly, let's start with this angle.
Off-roading. Did you see that?
Yeah. But real quick, this is Vlad.
What's up?
I didn't introduce him properly yet.
What's going on? I'm Vlad.
Vlad in the vlog.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's my bike.
Alright, so if you don't mind, tell us a bit about your bike.
It's a 2009 Kawasaki ZX6R. Has a bunch of mods on it. My favorite one is this exhaust. It's $1,000. Costs a lot of money. Just a nice little beginner bike. This is my first bike, and I'm looking to upgrade. Looking for a faster bike. Although so far I've taken this one to 160 on Route 18. That was a good time.
Nice.
Hopefully I can beat that soon.
Uh-oh. What happened here? Why is he laying down?
Look.
You good? That's a pretty good echo. Alright, he's just flipping around the bike real quick so we get the nice sun into the back. I'll put him on Google Drive and send you a link.
Alright, it's a good time.
Good time. Alright, see you.
I'll see you. What about that video?
So that was a lot of fun. Like I said before, I never took pictures of a bike before, but I actually really enjoyed it because there's so many details that I could just take pictures of, and like depending on the environment, those details you can see more of them or less of them or whatever. It was a lot of fun. I definitely would want to shoot a bike again. So if any of you guys watching have a bike or even a car, but preferably a bike, I want to take more pictures of bikes, then comment down below or inbox me and I'll take pictures of a bike for you. You can see these pictures in about a week on Instagram. We meet again.
Oh my gosh. How scary. Oh
Wow,
my god, that person got scared.
That guy he was so delayed. Okay, we're here at the car wash now. Hannah is rinsing off her car from off-roading over a week ago, and the mud is like stuck on her car. So she's here rinsing it off, and hopefully the mud comes off. Look at that. The mud is all gone.
There's some.
Good job, Ray.